We've been asked to graph 2 tangent x over 2 plus 1. And previously we figured out that the period was 2 pi. So that means tangent, which normally goes low to high like this, will have a period of 2 pi. So from this asymptote to that asymptote is 2 pi. And 0 is the center, so that means this asymptote on the right, half of 2 pi, or pi. And this one must be negative pi, because as we think about going from negative 1 to 1, we've really gone 2 units. Well, if I go from negative pi over to pi, I will have gone 2 pi units. And that's my period. So that's how I know that my asymptotes are x equals pi and x equals negative pi. Now I deal with the rest of my transformations. This says 2 tangent of x over 2. So that means I double or stretch my function vertically. So instead of going over pi over 2 up 1, I'm going to go twice as tall. And same thing, down twice as tall, and so I'm looking like this. And I'll erase the original red that I had. Now the only thing that we haven't done yet is we haven't added 1 unit. So everything moves up 1. I better label this as 1, 3, etc. so that I know what 1 is. And now everything comes up 1. My 0 goes to 1. This point goes up to 3. And this 0, or this point here, comes up to here. And so now I can draw the red. And I will erase the blue, so it's not confusing. Put my asymptotes back in. I've labeled my asymptotes at pi negative pi. I've labeled my y-axis, and I've gone up 1. So I've picked up all of my transformations.